In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Nebraska or any other state the best, easiest, and most affordable way possible. So just to make this video nice and easy, I'm going to quickly start with the table of contents, and I'm going to include the timestamps down below so you can go ahead and skip to any part of the video you'd like to see. So in chapter 1, I'm just going to discuss what an LLC is and give you a few reasons why you should consider starting an LLC over some other business entities. Then in chapter 2, we'll talk about the pros and cons of starting an LLC in Nebraska state. And finally, in chapter 3, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process to actually start your LLC in just under 5 minutes. Now in this video, I am focusing on Nebraska state, but if you are going to choose another state, the steps will be exactly the same so you can still follow along no matter what state you're choosing. I'll also provide any useful links in the description and pinned comment down below this video, so be sure to check those once the video's over. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. So an LLC, or a limited liability company, is a type of business structure that basically combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership. It is a great way to legally separate your personal assets from your business so you are not personally responsible for the business's debts or legal issues. And choosing to form an LLC as your business entity can offer a lot of advantages. One major benefit, and the reason most business owners choose to start an LLC, is the limited liability protection. This means that your personal assets, such as your personal savings, your cars or homes, they will be completely safe from being used to pay off any business's debts or legal liabilities. Another reason is because LLCs have very flexible taxation options. This means that you can avoid being double taxed, and it can provide excellent tax flexibility based on your specific business needs. Another reason so many people choose to start an LLC is its operational flexibility. So what this means is, well, having fewer formalities and requirements compared to, say, a corporation, it can make it a lot easier and more cost-effective to operate and maintain an LLC, including no need for a board of directors and greater flexibility in management structure. And lastly, forming an LLC can also convey credibility and professionalism to your customers, your investors, and of course your partners. That's because it is a recognized and established business structure that may be seen as more reputable compared to other business entities. Alright then, let's move on to the next part of the video where I'm going to go over some advantages and disadvantages of starting an LLC in Nebraska versus other states. So let's start with the good. Firstly, Nebraska has quite a low cost of living compared to some other states, which could make it easier for businesses to find affordable office space and even attract employees. Secondly, Nebraska has a very business-friendly environment with a simplified tax structure and a relatively low corporate income tax rate of between 5 to 7%. Thirdly, Nebraska has a strong agricultural sector, making it a suitable location for businesses in the farming and food processing industries. Nebraska also has a central location in the US, which can make the distribution and logistics for businesses serving multiple regions a lot easier. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider when starting an LLC in Nebraska. Firstly, Nebraska has a smaller population compared to other states, which can limit the potential customer base for businesses. Secondly, Nebraska may have a more limited availability of skilled workers compared to larger states with larger talent pools. Thirdly, while Nebraska does offer a business-friendly environment, it may not have the same level of resources and support as more prominent states, which could impact access to capital and business assistance programs. And lastly, while setting up an LLC in Nebraska can be a complicated and time-consuming process, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But those disadvantages lead me on to the next part of the video, where I'm going to be showing you the easiest and best way to get your LLC in Nebraska set up in just 3 simple steps that only takes about 5 minutes. So yeah, setting up an LLC in Nebraska can be a time-consuming and just an outright frustrating process, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't start one there. I would just recommend using an LLC formation service to just take care of everything for you. And one service I would highly recommend, and the one I use myself every time to form an LLC, is Taylor Brands. So Taylor Brands is an amazing platform that I've been using for a good few years now. And that's just because they have so many amazing tools designed to start a business completely from scratch, all in one convenient place. They have a logo maker, website builder, business card printing, LLC formation, and a bunch of other useful tools for you to use as well. They have literally everything you need to go from zero to hero in one convenient place. So going back to the LLC formation, well, yeah, Taylor Brands has a team of experts who will basically do the entire LLC formation for you. And if you do have any questions or concerns about starting your LLC, That team of experts is there to chat 24/7. And their website is so user-friendly, you can literally start your LLC in 3 easy steps, and it'll literally only take about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through the simple process. Firstly, just click the link I provided for you down below this video in the description or pinned comment. Then, once you're on the website, step 1 is just to choose your state from the drop-down menu here. Step 2, just choose your business name, and they will check there and then if it's available or not. And the third and final step, well, just answer a few basic questions they have about your business. They ask things like what service you're selling, what stage your business is at, how many employees you have, and finally, your contact details. And that is basically it. Taylor Brands will start your LLC, and their team of experts will guide you through every step of the way. They will make sure that all the necessary paperwork, such as your articles of organization and everything else, are fully complete, accurate, and filed correctly. Then, once it's all done, they will obtain your federal tax ID number, or EIN, and provide you with your certificate of organization, which is the document that proves your business is fully legally registered and it is ready to start operating. So in conclusion, setting up an LLC in Nebraska doesn't have to be a difficult or time-consuming process. With Taylor Brands LLC Formation Service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, giving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them a perfect choice for small business owners looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you would like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you below the video. As for this video, guys, that is just about it. Now, if you do have any questions about forming an LLC or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.